This is the Letter Fun page for our letter of the week. It will have our letter of the week in all of the boxes and a picture of something that begins with that letter sound. The first thing you do on this paper is write your name, and we put our name down here. There's usually a nice big space down here for your name. Remember to do that with your pencil or pen if you're at home. And then you always do your tracing. Start on the go dot with your pen or pencil. The rest you can do with crayon or marker, however you want to do it. I'm going to do these two with pencil or with my marker right now. So after you trace the letter and write your name, then you're doing the maze. This one seems kind of hard. There we go. Go in and try to find your way out. Once you're done with the maze, connect the dots. Always start with 1. 1 goes straight over to 2. Remember to look for the next number before you draw your line, because you might be drawing your line to the wrong number. So 1 to 2. 2 after 2 is 3. There it is down there. So I'm going to draw down. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't go over to 13 because we still have 12 to go up to. Then 13, 14, 15. There we go. After you're done connecting the dots, you should see our letter of the week, and then you are supposed to color it in. This letter has a hole in it, and what I mean by that is if you were to hold the letter up, you would be able to see through it because of the hole. You would be able to poke your finger through it because of the hole. See that? I can see through that. So don't color inside the hole. That's not part of the letter. We want to not color that because that's not part of the letter. Only color the parts that are part of the letter. All right, after I do connect the dots and color it in, next is, they usually have a little design. It could be zigzags, stripes, polka dots. This one is stars. And the job here is to color the stars all one color, and then color the background a different color, but still just coloring the D, or the letter of the week. Because this is the letter this week, but it may not be the letter for when you're watching, the letter of the week for when you're watching the video. So I'm going to color all of these stars green, and then I go in and pick another letter and color the background a different color, not coloring over those stars the best I can. They're really tiny, so it might be kind of hard. This is going to help with letter recognition. It's going to help with fine motor, and it's going to help with dexterity. So do your best when you're coloring. If it's stripes, your stripes should be different colors. It could be a pattern, but a whole bunch of stripes together shouldn't be one color. It should be one stripe is one color, the next stripe is a different color, and so on. If it's hearts or stars or circles, you color the shape one color and the background a different color. And of course you'll do the whole thing. And finally, the last part of this page is the picture. It starts with the sound that goes with the letter. You trace it, and then you color it. So just like when you're tracing letters, try your best to stay on that line. Trace all of these dotted lines so that you have the outline of the picture of whatever it is that starts with that letter. So I traced my picture, and now I can go in and color. And then I would do my best again to stay in those lines. You do not have to use different colors like I am. I'm just trying to make mine look like a duck. There we go. But remember, stay in those lines. Color in after you connect the dots, and color in your picture after you have traced it. Okay, that's the Letter Fun page. Don't forget to write your name. Don't forget to start on the go dot.